Ang instruction po ng ating Pangulo, BBM, is banning of bogus, whether illegal or legal. So, ako po, galing sa PNP. Pag ito ay hindi nabigyan ng attention, yung instruction po ni Pangulong BBM, parang lalambot eh. Matatakot na yung mga pulis.
General Karamat,
Yes, sir.
we're
Yes,
not
Congressman.
accusing you here. Be careful of your words. We're not accusing you here. We're asking questions, and that is our job. Remember that.
Noted po, Mr. Chairman, sir.
Oh, why are you accusing me?
Chairman Paduano, you are recognized.
Thank you, Chairman. Anyway, as you mentioned, General Karamat, you were installed as a CIDG chief. That was January, tama? January 1.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay. Now, tapos nag-leave ka because you're abroad, sabi mo.
No, my leave 2024 already, sir, yung lead ni Colonel Buyakaw, sir. Let me clarify, sir, para hindi tayo nagkakagulo dito,
Hindi,
sir.
magulo talaga kasi yung sagot mo kanina, you just leave because of that. You didn't know that operation because you're on leave. Diba?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Oh, that was February.
No. That's a different operation, sir.
Hindi,
Dalawang operation tayo dito, sir.
Yung time ano lang, ni Alejandro, no operation.
Okay, sir.
You're on leave or not?
No, sir.
Oh, so, alam mo.
Yes, sir. Because actually,
Hindi,
sir,
yes or no lang muna.
I personally know the operation, sir.
Sandali po.
Because,
Yes or no
sir.
lang muna.
Yes, sir.
Oh, do you know the operation of Colonel Alejandro?
Because I was the one who approved the said operation, sir.
Okay, you approve now.
Yes, sir.
How long is Colonel Alejandro as the RFU of?
Nadatnan ko na lang siya po, sir, sa RFU 3 when I was assigned as the Director of Criminal Investigation and Detection Group, sir.
Kaya nga eh, that is why I'm asking you now, how
Yeah.
long did Colonel Alejandro stayed? Kasi sagot mo kanina, routinary, di ba? Di ba sagot mo kanina, routinary?
Yes, sir.
Oh, kasi ang sagot mo, routinary at saka trust and confidence.
Yes, sir.
Oh, now.
That's correct, sir.
Ay, tanong ko nga, when was Colonel Alejandrino assigned as Region 3 Chief? Ay, sagot mo kanina, routinary. Then, trust and confidence.
According to my staff, sir, he was assigned there as a regional chief of CIDG in Region 3 for 6 months, sir.
Oh, 6 months. Oh, kita mo. 6 months before his relief.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Oh, kita mo 6 months? Hindi, pwede yan. Kung talagang promotional purposes, kasi full colonel na siya eh. Di ba, kailangan niya kumuha ng, kung nasa linya sa, pwede kukunin yung entry, di ba? Now, but the question is just 6 months now. Okay, routinary, medyo malabo. Next is trust and confidence. Nakaupo ka, alam mo yung operation niya, successful ang operation niya. Is it not trust and confidence with regards to your trust?
As
To
I
Colonel Alejandro?
As I said before, sir, before the operation conducted by Colonel Alejandro, which was personally approved by me, he was informed already of the impending reshuffle.
And alam ko yon.
Yes, sir.
Alam ko yon. But ang sinasabi mo is, he was informed. But now, ang basis mo is routinary. Hindi pwede, 6 months. Second is trust and confidence. He was informed, but this operation is successful, and during routinary, successful operation, question of trust and confidence, you don't have trust and confidence to a police colonel that has just operated successfully against Pogo?
As I said, there is no connection to the operation
Hindi
of
nga eh.
Pogo, why
Mr. Chairman,
Colonel Alejandro was relieved.
Of course, that is your excuse or your defense. But what, ako, Colonel, kahit siguro mga kasapi dito, members dito, and even the public now, monitoring us, may cloud of doubt. Pasensya na po, the back of my mind is, it is not all about routinary and question of trust and confidence. Kasi routinary, malabo. Trust and confidence, magandang performance, successful yung operation. So, that's what you're telling us na na-inform. Pero kahit na-inform mo magaling palang bata to Di ba? Kaya, Mr. Chairman, yung doubt, personally, yun din siguro yung mga nasa isip ng mga members dito, ay yung dapat, Mr. Chairman, ang dapat ayusin natin sa organisasyon ng pulis. Kasi laging bata-bata. It is not based on performance. Kasi yung trust and confidence yan is precisely bata-bata. Whether the organization or the officers in front of us will admit, but that is now the normal practice in the police organization. And we want to check it. And ayusin natin yan. But of course, I respect what the defense of General Karamat. But sabi ko na nga, this is all about investigation in aid of legislation. At yung puntong yun, nangyayari yan kahit saan. This is not only happening with the CIDG, this is happening all over the country. Yung question of trust and confidence na equals bata-bata. Oh, kaya nga nililipat yung mga taga-probinsya papunta dito kasi yung mga boss nila dati is nakasilent sa mga juicy at saka strategic position dito ngayon. At kailangan pa namin dun sa probinsya kasi nga bata nung nakaupo. And again, Mr. Chairman, lastly, gusto ko lang ulitin, no? Maybe the committee report, maliban dun sa dito, sa Pogo, at saka dun sa mga previous investigation na ginawa natin, we should put that and dun sa committee report natin, dapat may legislative action that will be undertaken with this, under this committee, Mr. Chairman.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Before I yield back again kay Congressman Busita, I will be recognizing you for a brief interjection. But may question lang, may question lang kay General Karamat. General Karamat, last na, baka makalimutan ko lang. General Karamat, kaprasa na lang, Chairman ako, pasensya ka na. General Karamat, may kilala ka bang JP Samson, yung may-ari ng West Cars, ng yung dinala sa kay Alice Go?
I cannot remember, sir. Hindi ko ma-recall kung may kilala kong JP Samson, but as far as I know, wala akong kakilala, sir.
General Karamat, you're under oath,
Yes, sir.
I'm telling you. I'll be showing you a picture of John Patrick Samson and you together. But pictures, hindi naman magsasabi yan na meron kang involvement. But what I'm trying to say is kilala mo.
That
I will send it to you, General
Yes, sir.
Karamat.
Yes, sir.
Because
I
what
could answer that,
what we
sir.
wanted is to ferret out the truth. And
I
I will
could answer
try to
that.
give it to you for you to find out kung nare-recall mo yung si John Patrick Samson. Si John Patrick Samson is the owner of the West Cars that was used by Alice Go doon sa kanyang mga sa Pogo, doon sa kanya sa Banban. And that's the reason why I'm asking you, I'm just testing you kung kilala mo. Tapos sinasabi mo hindi mo siya ma-recall. But now, are you going to tell us that you can recall him already?
Not all, Mr. Chairman, sir. As a CIDG director, many were inviting you, but it does not mean na yung kasama ko doon sa picture kilala ko. We are just like politicians. Anybody can take a picture with us, sir.
General Karamat, we are not trying to tell you that you have involvement. Ang sinasabi lang namin kanina.
I didn't say that I was involved.
Wait. I'm still talking, you know?
Yes, sir.
Ang sinasabi lang, tinatanong ko lang, kung may kilala ka. Ang sabi ko, kaya nga pinakikita ko sa yung picture, ngayon nare-recall mo na siya.
Yes, sir.
O yan. O di na-recall mo na, kilala mo na, that's it.
I just met him in one of the occasions, sir, but
Okay.
I do not know him personally, sir.
You don't know him personally.
Yes, sir.
Oh, this is one of the occasions that you have
Yes, sir.
be with him.
Yes, sir.
That's it.
Yes, sir.
Wala naman po kami sinasabing iba dito eh. Ang tinatanong ko lang kung may kilala kayong JP Samson.
Your question is kung kilala ko, sir. I cannot recall, sir, dahil sa dami ng nakikilala
Kaya
ko,
nga,
sir.
and
Hindi
then I
cannot
answer
recall
back.
their name
General
already,
Karamat,
sir.
wait. Then I answer back. Then I said, pakikita ko para at least ma-recall mo. Okay? So picture, sasabi na na-encounter mo siya. And that's the reason why we will be inviting over also John Patrick Samson, yung pong owner ng West Car. Ayan, para malaman po natin yung mga sinasabi natin lahat dito. Congressman Barbers, you are now recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. With the indulgence of Congressman Busita, yung sa akin lamang po, Mr. Chairman, is a clarification kasi dun sa narration ni General Karamat, it seems that he has no knowledge in other operations that was conducted by the CIDG because orders were coming from his superiors. In fairness to General Karamat, Mr. Chair, marami yung movements dun sa kanila, sa CIDG na apparently, he has not been informed, he has not been advised, or he has not been given the instructions. So, tama yung punto kanina ni Chairman na siguro dapat para magkaroon ng mas malinaw na na narration o kwento itong ating kasi ang pinupunto natin dito, Mr. Chair, is why were these CIDG personnel relieved after they had successfully raided in illegal pogo. So ang sagot naman ho ni General, yung iba nga ho, hindi niya alam because one, sabi niya he was out of the country. The others, he probably got orders from the higher ups. I remember in the last hearing that we had, it was General Bacayo, General Bakay, who actually gave the orders. Diba? So, I would like to ask the chair and the members of the committee, yun po kasing usapin doon sa CIDJ is just an adjacent issue. But the real issue, which is within the purview of the committee, is the illegal operations and other crimes committed by these illegal pogo operators. Siguro, Mr. Chair, with all due respect to you and to the other members of the committee, maybe we can refocus there. Anyway, nasagot na naman po ni General Karamat yung issue about transfers ng mga tao. That's all, Mr. Chair. And thank you, Congressman Busita.
Okay, Congressman Busita, now you have the floor.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, ang punto po kasi dito, kaya kung bakit seryoso tayo sa issue na to, itong operation sa against Hong Sheng, mababasura na talaga ito, Mr. Chair. Kasi yung mga pulis, yung operatiba, wala na deploy na. Una pa lang salbo nung kaso for further investigation. Doon pa lang, malabo na. Pinagsisibak yung pulis natin, malabo na. Now, ang instruction po ng ating Pangulo, BBM, is banning of POGOs, whether illegal or legal. So, ako po, galing sa PNP, pag ito ay hindi nabigyan ng attention, yung instruction po ni Pangulong BBM, parang lalambot Matatakot na yung mga pulis, yung mga operatiba. Paano pa sila magtatrabaho?
Andiyan si Colonel Attorney Tomas
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Belmonte. You can ask
Kaya
him.
with respect to Honorable Congressman Barbers, yes, totoo po. Pwede nating skip na itong issue. Pero, malaki po ang epekto nito sa instruction ni PBBM. Banning of POGOs. Kasi nga, bilang retired police, matagal ng practice yan, talagang pag mag-operate ka, makikita mo, ops, delikado yan. Atras yan. So, napakahalaga po nito. And in fairness to General Karamat, sir, sabi po ninyo, prior to operation on February 1, 2023, may nakaambang reassignment na si Colonel Alejandro. Ang tanong ko lamang po kay General Karamat, di po ba merong Senior Officers Placement Board, SOPB sa PNP? Tama po ba?
We had independent officers placement board in every unit, sir. And I have my command group, sir. And the transfer.
Okay. General Karamat, sir. Sinasabi po ninyo na prior to said operation, talagang for transfer na si Colonel Alejandro. Ang tanong po, nabanggit mo na meron po kayong independent SOPB. So, na-process po ang transfer niya.
Yes, sir.
So, meron pong SOPB resolution. Tama po ba?
I presume because the order was issued. And as a director of the CIDG, it is my prerogative also to choose my men, sir.
Yes, General Karamat, sir. I agree with you. Powers and prerogatives. Pero siyempre, kung hindi naman i-observe yung SOPB, why not ibasura na lang yan? So, ang tanong ko po, meron po bang board resolution o wala? Kasi po, Mr. Chair, kung totoo po yung sinasabi na hindi pa nagkakandak ng operation, may nakaambang transfer na kay Colonel Alejandro, ang makakasuporta po dito, board resolution. And yung pong powers and prerogative ng commander na katulad nito, nagkandak na operation, may mga kinasuhan, alam natin na pwedeng i-hold commander yung transfer. if ever, na merong board resolution na. So, malaman lamang po, Mr. Chair, kung merong board resolution itong reassignment ni Colonel Alejandro, Mr. Chair.
Sir.
Ay, what? Board resolution? Can
Yes,
we ask General Karamat? General Karamat, meron pang board resolution po.
According to my former command group here, we have a board resolution, sir. And I just want to present a simple logic here, sir. Accusing me of whimsically.
Mr. Chair, General Karamat,
Yes, sir.
we're
Yes,
not
Congressman.
accusing you here. Be careful of your words. We're not accusing you here. We're asking questions, and that is our job. Remember that.
Noted po, Mr. Chairman, sir.
Oh, why are you accusing me? Kasama kami rito eh.
Sorry for my words, sir. But
Kaya nga, you be careful of your words.
noted po, sir.
Thank you.
I just want to
Wait,
present
General
Yes, sir.
Karamat. That goes with us, me as well, the
Yes, sir.
chairman
Yes, sir.
and my co-chair. Actually, naunahan lang ako ni Chairman Akop. I was offended by your words.
I'm sorry, Your Honor,
I was
sir.
really offended.
Yes, sir.
Be careful. We're trying to ferret out the truth because there's an instruction from the president and the speaker. And the speaker told us to ferret the truth. And we are doing our job as well as you are. All of us, being a part of this government, we have to do our share. At kung wala kayo sa tama at ando kayo sa mali, pasensyahan po tayo. That is our task. Thank you.